Morning. Hope you're having a good day so far. Today we're at Competition Muffler. I'm bringing the 4Runner in to get a little bit of maintenance done. Got some ball joints, CV axle, take a look at the exhaust. I got Thorley Short Tube Headers. Got some cats on order, so I'll hopefully get that booked in later down the road. But while I'm here, I'm going to grab some footage of the repairs being done and show you a little bit of behind the scenes of what goes on inside a shop. Well, this is a little bit of a rare occurrence. I am in the shop all by myself. The techs aren't here yet. I came early because I wanted to grab some shots. So I'm gonna grab some B-roll here, probably of this nice truck. I love this color. This is one of my favorite colors. It just reminds me of, you know, being a kid. It's freaking sick. Well, I'm gonna let the guys do their thing. My buddy Graham is here. He's gonna pick me up. We're gonna go for coffee and just hang out for a bit. Oh, it's great. Well, it is a couple of weeks later. Finally got the cats in for the exhaust. We are going to go to Competition Muffler. I got a snowflake in my eye. Going to Competition Muffler to get the headers and the rest of the exhaust put on. Well, we're off to Competition now. I got all my stuff loaded up in the back. We're gonna swing by Tim Hortons, grab a coffee because it's gonna be a long day at the shop. There's a small chance I might swing home, get a buddy to pick me up, go out for lunch, go home. But yeah, the vehicle's gonna be in the shop all day with the headers and full exhaust. Well, the guys are taking a break right now, so I thought I'd come talk about this a little bit. Where is it? The old gasket. There we go. Look at that. I don't know if that'll focus, but it's completely blown apart compared to the new gasket. It's a nice thick one-piece looking thing. And then the flanges on the old manifold, they are completely just gone. What do you think of this old manifold?
Do I think of that manifold?
Pretty okay.
Yeah, and not a very great design, if you ask me.
No, terrible.
No, especially when the converter's attached to them. Makes it more costly for people.
Oh, big time. But instead of spending $1,700 on one or each side with a manifold and cat, I spent $1,700 for both headers and then another $240 for two cats. So just over $2,000. No, Doug Thorley is the way to go with some MagnaFlow cats. MagnaFlow cats. Jake's just working on this side now. About to get it out and put in these nice ones. And I haven't been talking too much on camera because honestly I'm pretty shy when it comes to talking. So do this when no one's around, or no one can see me at least. Well, here we are, a couple weeks later. I thought I'd drive this around, get my opinion on everything that's happened before, you know, saying this is good or that's bad. But honestly, everything is amazing. For one, there's no more exhaust tick coming from the front end. Fuel mileage is way better. Throttle response is next level. It's just a whole different beast. So with that said, competition, thank you for hooking me up. Doing some great work. Looks good, it sounds good, and I couldn't be happier. So if you guys didn't absolutely hate this video, please consider liking it, maybe subscribing. Go follow Competition Muffler. I'm sure they'd also appreciate the love. If you want to see more on this, let me know. If you want to see more on the Volkswagen, let me know. But that's all for now. See ya.